Any black child is dying to go to America one day. So America is Zululani, the South Africans. The next heaven is America. America.
Yeah.
That is how America was sold. It was sold as a secondary heaven. Miami, Florida, New York, California, Neingoma, and this he will glee as a bright men. Whereas I'm dying to go to Nigeria. You're serious?
Yeah.
You can ask Abanteng Afundanabo, even in the Pastor has always said his biggest dream is to go to Nigeria and Ghana. Yeah. Those two countries.
I see
Then Egypt. Egypt has some impressed over. I say now my Egyptian, is in Ghana as he blend Yama Egyptian with Arabs. So that generation I consciously aligned to the Egyptian flag. But I feel a sense of belonging. They see themselves as Arab and as Greeks. It's unfortunate they are in Egypt. It would be interesting, Egyptian, the original Egyptian, they still own that country. Unfortunately, they're no longer in Egypt. Now, any difference the American Christianity, in Lovgas, it appeals to using faith to attain stability and comfort. Ufale attain stability by faith and comfort, whereas the Bible encourages believers to risk life and limb to advance the kingdom of God. The Bible, it calls upon us to risk our lives in order to advance the kingdom of God, because abantu bezobona khona ubungcwele buka Yeshua nemsebenzi yakhe emihle. That is why the Christian church no longer teaches Jesus' teachings. Bawafihla. The reason why the Christian church is not teaching Jesus teaching is simple. Babona ukuthi no, human beings can't deal.
Hayi futhi kuyabonakala kunzima nje ususho baqabana hawu uthini manje.
That is why people shun you uma uya encwadini as outside the Bible ezikhuluma ngobungcwele buka Christ, but uyithatha phike leyo babalekela ukuthi uzo expose iqiniso bese ufundisa ubungqo ngempilo kaChrist. Akasithi fahla nathi ezayifunda impilo kaChrist outside the Bible. Just number one was black. He was such a passionate, hardcore, principled man. Owayethandaza a faster. Buga, Amachrist, for instance, they don't do Jesus fast. There's some strange fastings on Amachrist which makes me laugh. Because the day was Suguma, the church, let's investigate how Christ fasted. Number one, Christ fasted for 40 days. A fastile wayengadli lutho from morning, which is 6 o'clock, if you look at the Arabian Peninsula, la ekhona ko Galilee ko Jerusalem. Babengadli lutho, na befunde bakaba befasta nabo. Bafaste until 6 in the evening. Bese beyodla ama dates, they never drank water, babengafaki lutho. Kodwa ebusuku badli aphula elicwiliswe kwihani uju lwenyosi, so that ama enzyme eswini engeka cause violence, thirst and nokunukela umlomo. Bese be break fast, then they go to prayers. Angiyazi le amaChrist lento amaChrist umuntu ahuqa amanzi usuku bese fastile. That is not fast. Angazi uyithiba lo kakona ufast. Wakumuntu angayithiba. The true Jesus fast is dry. In the morning, awudli lutho, udle ekseni babephuziswa bhek to ihalima. Elali ingxube evanga wonke ama grains lawa atholakala in the Arab Peninsula. Bese belboil leli soup baliphuze ekseni, then before 6 o'clock. Bese bevule ifast. For the whole day was about breaking ama dates. I'm a Muslim, they do the same thing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Now, it's amazing that Muslims are fasting really as Christ did. Among Christians, the claimers or followers of Jesus Christ, they're not fasting like Christians or something else, which is very foreign. Now, I want to go to American Christianity, in fact, American Christianity